Uh, if you have gonorrhea and you want to get rid of it, get snail, big snail, get potash, and get soap, osialadi, get soup. Are you with me? So this snail, you are going to pound it, you crush it with mortar or stone together with this potash, then mix it with soap, pound it very well. You can add water to it if it is needed. So this soap, you are not going to use to bathe every part of your body. You are not going to drop it in the water and drink. You can only use this soap, the mixture, use it to wash your private parts, every part of your private part. If you have a gonorrhea, it works like magic.